Hi, everybody, and welcome to Painting Your Greek-Inspired Pinch Pot. So, recently in some of my classes, we have used red earthenware clay, which I've got right here. Red earthenware clay, when it has a lot of water in it, is a deeper, rich, kind of a red color. As it dries, this is a piece of what's called greenware. And greenware basically means that it's been dried. All of the water has evaporated. Listen to the sound of this one. It almost sounds like a piece of wood when it's dried out. We take this, we put it into the big clay oven called a kiln. And a kiln, what it does, it gets really, really hot and it fires up to almost 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Ask an adult in the room what that little F means, Fahrenheit. Okay, now here's what's next. Once it comes out of the kiln and it's all been baked, it's what's called bisqueware. And bisqueware just means that it's been cooked, kind of like a biscuit. Okay, bisqueware. But listen to the sound of this one. Can you hear that? It almost sounds like it's glass or maybe even metal. Now, here's what we're going to do. Here's the next step of our pinch pots. We're going to take our cooked clay. Look at, I even made an itty bitty little pinch pot for a little squirrel. Thought that would be kind of cute. Okay, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this black marker, a black Sharpie, the most feared tool in the hands of a child. And remember, Sharpies go on our project. Do they go on the paper? I just did it right here, so that would be okay. Does it go on your table? No. Does it go on your hands? No. Does it go on your neighbor? No. Does it go on your Grammy or grandpa? No, for sure not. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and start to add a pattern. Remember, a pattern is something that repeats. So look at these lines repeat. They're going the same direction, the same thickness. Oh, that looks pretty darn good. Okay, so a pattern. Now, could I change the pattern? For sure. Here we go. But it has to repeat to be considered a pattern. Here we go. Oh, nice. I'm liking this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that each side, okay, the inside, and watch this. Could I even do this on the inside? Oh, for sure. You bet. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a circle around here. Maybe another circle right here. And then maybe I'll start to divide some of these sections. Ooh, I like that. Now look at this. I could even put dots in between. Look at this. Look at more patterns on the lip part up here on the top. Okay, look at, I've got patterns on the side. I've got patterns on the inside, and I've even got them on the top here. Now, once you're done, you can just leave your Sharpie, kind of set it off to the side, and then we are going to start to add white acrylic paint. Now, acrylic paint is a washable, water-based kind of a paint. Okay, but watch this. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to paint with a toothpick. What? Yep, you heard it, folks. Watch this. Do you see how little those little dots are? Look at that inside of there. Pretty incredible. Let's keep going. Doop, 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 boop, boop. Look at those little dots. Now, art takes time. Repeat after me. Art takes time. Art takes time. Repeat after me. I will not rush. Rush. Repeat after me. Rushing is yucky. Rushing is yucky. Repeat after me. And I'm not yucky. And I'm not yucky. Okay, so look at this. We're just taking our time, right? Slow and steady wins the race. Nice. Okay, so again, your dots can go on the inside. Look at, I overlapped some of mine in another pinch pot I was working on. I started to put lines on the side. Look at this one. I also started to put lines on the inside. So you can show it in lots of different ways, but today for our pinch pots, we're going to use just black and white. Sharpie goes first, and then you're going to use the white acrylic paint. When you are done, you'll just go ahead and make sure it stays on your table and your teacher will collect it. Here we go. And also your names are on the bottom so we know whose is whose. When they're all done, we'll wrap them up and get them to you in your classroom to take home nice and safe. Thanks, everybody. See you.